In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add multiple photos to your Instagram story. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Instagram app. Once it is done, just swipe to the right to activate Instagram story camera, and now we need to add our first photo to our story. We can use our camera to take a picture by tapping right here, and also we can upload a photo from Photos Gallery. To do that, I'm gonna tap right here, and then I'm just gonna search for a photo I would like to use. Let it be that one. We can just tap on it to open it up to place this photo to our story. However, guys, if you would like to add more photos to that story, you need to do it in a different way. So to do that, you need to tap right here at that stickers icon. And now, guys, all we have to do is just tap right here and it will open up our camera roll, and from here we can choose different photo just like that, and it will immediately put it to our story. So that's how we can easily add it. By the way, we can here using this method add another photo. Just in the same way, select a picture and it will place it over your story. You will be able to resize it, rotate it, move it around, just like that. In this way, we are able to add as many photos as we want. Just keep doing the same steps. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.